First, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. In today's video, we are going to explore a new update regarding the PAWS Telegram mini app. So first, they released some announcement in their X account, which they say that like users, they are going to like go and check their allocation or recheck the allocation. So I would definitely should go and recheck my allocation, whether they are going to increase it or decrease it, but so we don't know. So or maybe like there is something. So if you don't forget, like we have previously sent our token option to the exchange. So we don't know what they mean, but definitely we shall figure it out. So let's dive into it. So here is the interface of your first website. So as you can see. So before we go direct into our video, if this is your first time across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So here is the interface of PAWS.community website, which you can see like we have home here. We have home, Solana OG, Telegram dashboard, and extend. So this video, like I want to share information like regarding the Solana's 4Gs and the Telegram users. So if you're a Solana OG, like you're holding some token on Solana, like in your Phantom wallet, so you should go and check the allocation, like where you get allocation. So if you don't know, so you have to go and check the allocation if this video reached you. So for Telegram users, so it is just to recheck the allocation that you have been getting. So let's go together. Let's go for a dashboard. So me, I prefer using my Tone wallet because it's been easier for me to access my website. So let's click continue. So let's authorize. Resume background, brilliant. No stress with it. We fully is the record of my option deposit, which is like already been collected. They have already collected my information, like the extent that I've been sending my token. I've sent it to the Bybit, but obviously there is no increment of any other token allocation. So we don't know what they mean, but maybe this update is for ineligible users. So users that been ineligible like without knowing anything or without making any penalty. So maybe this update is for them. So if you like found your account like being on a penalty account, so you have to go and check the allocation. Maybe you get the allocation, but you don't know. So let's go back to the Twitter handle so that we may see like what is happening regarding the update and see the tweeted that they have made it yesterday, like which is 11 p.m. So let's go and check it. So as you can see, here is the first date that they have first like yesterday. So as we approach the starting day, don't forget to check your first allocation and have everything ready for the launch. So this is just a reminder for you to like being fully ready to be like for the to be trading the token like when trade then live. So yeah, it is. And then again, Solana's OGs, holder of Solana OG project, you might be eligible for PAWS. So here it is. So if you didn't like being eligible for the previous time over the Solana's OG, so and still you know that you are holding any token in the wallet, so we have to go and check it so that maybe we have been selected for a Solana OGs to get the airdrop. So here it is. So if this is your first time across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video.